decision.
Well, a historic day for the country as the Supreme Court rules that same-sex marriage is legal in all 50 states. Those couples have rights. Tonight, we want to talk to Attorney General Leslie Rutledge. She's joining us in the studio to break down what this means for Arkansans, and thank you for joining us tonight.
Absolutely.
Well, what was the first thing you did when you heard the news today?
Well, the first thing that we did at the Attorney General's office is read the opinion, and I spoke with the governor to ensure that we understood the opinion and to give the right advice to our state agencies, to government officials, to county clerks, and that's the advice that we want people to know, that this decision affects government officials, government entities. However, it does not affect members of the clergy or churches to abide by the Supreme Court's directive.
And from a county perspective, there are many that have already started implementing the ruling, and it is an immediate ruling. Is that correct? You've talked to a lot of other states that are maybe doing it a different way, but here in Arkansas, it takes effect immediately.
That is correct. And we are asking those individuals who are looking to obtain license from perhaps a smaller county or an area that perhaps does not have the forms ready to be patient with them, or to work with them, but to understand that the counties are directed, the clerks are, and the state government officials are, that this is effective immediately, that the Supreme Court's decision is. And while it may not be the decision that I agree with in terms of traditional marriage, or that the voters of Arkansas voted on, however, we are a nation of laws, and that the Supreme Court has made this decision, and therefore it does apply to government officials and entities here in Arkansas.
And have you heard any concerns about some of the broader implications of this law in Arkansas, and maybe some things that might have to be worked out in the future, anything that you're looking ahead to in the coming weeks?
Well, some of the things that we talk about in this memorandum that my office issued to state officials and state agencies, stating that, for example, if an employee has a spouse that is in a same-sex marriage, to be treated the same as an opposite-sex marriage, or those benefits that are inferred because they are a state employee, or anything involving government.
All right, so there are still some things that we will be continuing to follow, and of course be in touch with you. Again, Attorney General Leslie Rutledge, thank you for your time tonight.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back after this short break.
KARK 4 News.